Well, they're all set up. They're drinking, and they'll teach each other to drink. This was very easy. I didn't even have to show them the water. Obviously, they're just thirsty. They jump right on to the food. They're starting to eat. And everything, they got their heat now. They're happy. You see how they're just moving around and exploring everything. They're definitely hungry because they're pecking at the little shavings. But now it's all on for the growing time. And they'll stay in here for a little bit just to watch them. I have my light set up, but I also have it set to a chair, and I always tie it with wire because these lights can be a fire hazard. And then I always watch this bulb to make sure this type of bulb is not going to get too hot for them. I make sure they don't get too hot, make sure that it's warm enough so that they can stay warm. If they're huddling into a ball, then that means they're cold. If they're moving around like this, it means they're pretty satisfied. Imagine with that food right there, as hungry as these babies are right now, they'll be having it just about ate down this afternoon. So I didn't quite fill it up because I didn't honestly expect them to jump on it this fast. And I always take a little rod out so they can get in it like that and just, get all the food that they want. That one right there was stretching. They're drinking, and everything is good.